SWOT analysis has always been a powerful tool, but now with AI, it's faster, smarter, and more dynamic than ever. In this video, we'll explore how to automate parts of your SWOT process using AI tools and how this technology can unlock deeper insights and better strategy. Let's start with data gathering. One of the most time-consuming parts of SWOT is collecting internal and external data. AI-powered tools can now scan thousands of data points, like customer reviews, support tickets, sales performance, and social media sentiment, and summarize the patterns. Tools like ChatGPT, Crayon, Brand24, or Sprout Social help you spot themes in strengths and weaknesses without hours of manual digging. On the external side, AI can monitor competitors, market trends, and regulatory updates. Platforms like AlphaSense, SimilarWeb, and SEMrush can alert you to emerging threats and opportunities. Instead of waiting for quarterly reports, you get real-time insight. AI can also help in clustering and prioritizing SWOT items. Natural language processing (NLP) algorithms can group similar points, remove duplicates, and even score entries based on frequency or urgency. This helps you focus on what matters, not just what's mentioned most. Next is visualization. AI-powered dashboards can auto-generate SWOT charts, heat maps, or pairing matrices from raw input. Instead of manually formatting slides, you can share dynamic visualizations with stakeholders or use AI presentation tools to bring your SWOT to life. Some tools go even further, recommending actions. Based on your SWOT entries, AI can suggest strategies, mitigation plans, or campaign ideas. For example, if your threat is customer churn, AI might suggest a retention workflow. If your strength is high Net Promoter Score, it might recommend a referral program. But with all this automation, your job isn't over. Human insight is still essential. AI can collect, analyze, and present, but you bring the context. You understand the team dynamics, the customer story, and the strategic nuance. Use AI to speed up the process, not to outsource your thinking. The future of SWOT is not just smarter, it's continuous. Instead of doing a SWOT once a year, AI makes it possible to refresh your insights monthly or even weekly. This keeps your strategy agile and your actions aligned with what's really happening. In your organization, explore how AI can support, not replace, your SWOT process. With the right tools, you can turn a static analysis into a real-time strategy engine.